At a meeting of farmers, self-help groups and people of Nongstoin in West Khasi Hills District on the 18th of October 2022, Chief Minister Conrad K Sangma had addressed the gathering in the Khasi language to encourage the general public the practice of learning other languages, especially as the state of Meghalaya is moving along in its demand to include Khasi and Garo in the 8th schedule of the Constitution.
How West Khasi Hills, Khatindriu Hajar, Laispa, Saupo Hindriu Tili, Shillong Yeng Nongrep, Kibahap, Hapo, Shi Hajar, Shispa, Saupo Hindriu Tili, Ki Producer Group, Ki Layo Ling Mintoy, Naka Focus. Ni la airu mar shi hajar tingka Shaki shi hajar arspa sanpau kendai ngot kinongrep bashen ngin sa ai san hajar tingka sa ka bank account ka jong ka longyeng baladep tep kerteng ni la penlut palat ar spa hendriu paukro tingka bat kala penme ya kalat kamai kaji hadu hinyu pau pralak ki sni trai haka district West Khasi Hills Jongpi.